so today in this video I'm going to be doing a tattoo tag because why the hell not? It's something to do, and I put my makeup on today, I've recorded a few videos and I thought, what else can I make a video on? Tattoo tag. So, here we go. This is just something I literally just searched for, tattoo tag, on Google, and this questionnaire came up, so let's get on with it. So, how many tattoos do you have? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hang on. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I've got 20 tattoos. That's insane. What is your favourite tattoo? That's hard. It's either Glaceon and Sylveon, because it kind of took the most time and I think it's the one that gets the most noticed, or it's my dog Lila, because she's the cutest, very very cutest doggo. I love her so much. How old were you when you got your first tattoo? I was very old. Like, I've literally only been getting tattoos about 3 years, if that. What do your parents think about your tattoos? My mum doesn't care. My mum thinks they're pretty. My dad, up until me getting tattoos, he was firmly against women getting tattoos, which is so sexist. Like, every time he'd see someone who was a woman with tattoos on screen, oh, look at her, she looks a right mess. It's like, that's how I'm going to be soon. And now, if he saw me on TV a few years ago, he would literally have been like, look at the state of her, blah, blah, blah. So, my dad is not into tattoos. Did you always have a love for tattoos? I very much did. Like, from probably about 12 I wanted a tattoo, but I never went through with it. I always kind of shied away from getting it done because I was scared. I was scared that it was going to hurt and I was going to, I don't know, just like maybe decide against it in later life. But I've wanted tattoos now for like over 20 years, so I thought, why not get it done now? And I did. So, and I've not looked back. I love, like, I've taken parts of me that I hated and I like now like to look at them because they're pretty. Like, I would never look at my arms and think, oh, they're cute. You know, I got cute arms. I'd look at my arms and think, oh god, they look a right mess. I hate them. But now I look at my arms and think they're beautiful because they're covered in gorgeous artwork. What was your inspiration? I don't know if I had inspiration, I just liked tattoos. Do you plan on getting more tattoos in the future? Of course I fucking do. Which tattoo was the most painful? I have... Okay, that one on my wrist, that little bit, absolutely killed. Like, I was in so much agony there. And in my elbow ditch, this was all on the one day, like this whole thing. So having it there and there killed. On my elbow here kind of hurt, even though it's not really on my elbow. I did actually tap out on one day because it was the John Moxley one on my leg. I was on my period for a start, and I didn't feel very well that day. I should have not gone, but I went anyway and we got most of the outline done and some of the shading and stuff, but I was like, I have to tap. So, but when I went back to get it finished off, it was absolutely fine. So, yeah, it was more a case of being on my period and being extra sensitive, I guess. Do you regret any of your tattoos? I don't... Oh, yeah, that one. That one there is the one that I regret. That is... I got it for charity, done by a terrible tattoo artist. And, yeah, I regret that one. It was for charity, but it's terrible. What was your least painful tattoo? I don't know. Least painful, probably the Finn Balor one, or the bat on my upper arm up here. Although that one bled like a son of a bitch, because it's like black. So that one didn't hurt, it was just more the bleeding was a big issue. The bleeding was not nice on that one. What did you use when it was healing? What did I use when it was healing? What, like, in specifically that tattoo? Or, I don't know. But recently I've been using, on my latest tattoo I use this, which I do have a video on this brand, Stories in Ink, and it's really nice. Oh, this is the last question. What's the best aftercare? Okay, if I was to pick two things for aftercare, definitely this, which is the Yayo Familiar Guard. It's like a second skin bandage kind of thing. You cut it off and put it on. I've got a video on it. And then the Stories in Ink aftercare cream as well. They're the best things that I've used. Use this for a few days, about a week, and then after that use this bad boy and your tattoo looks incredible afterwards. I think that's it for the tattoo tag. Gutted. Is there any more? YouTube tags. Oh my god, there is actually a website for YouTube tags. Christmas questions tag. Okay, I might do some of these. Halloween questions tag. What's on my phone tag. Tattoo questions tag. Would you rather questions. Yeah, I might do some of these. If there's any other like tag videos that you want me to have a look at, then leave them in the down bar and I'll have a look at them. Also, this wig. Do you like my wig? I love this wig. I think it's too long though. Like, I feel like I want to chop it off to about here, just so that it's like a normal length that I would probably have, because it's very, very long. And I feel like here would be like a nice kind of natural length for it. Like, because my hair at the minute, I hate my hair. Because I shaved it at the side, it is all lengths, and I can't really cut it to a certain length at all. So it's all over the place. So yeah, thinking of cutting it to my hair. I don't know how I'd do it. I'd get my mum to do it. I'll just pass it on to my mum and say, can you do that for me? Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment if you want me to do any other tags, and I will see you all in the next one. Adios.